Right, we've got an interesting project here today. We're going to build these fountains for a swimming pool. So these two boxes that we're going to be wrapping are made out of 16mm architectural board, and they're going to be wrapped first, and then there's going to be holes drilled in the top and the water fountains are going to come out. It's going to be very interesting because we're doing it with our exterior film. We're going to use Z10, which is it's a black color. We've got a 12-year global warranty for outdoors in our South African sun. So can't wait to get this wrapped and go and install it. Once we've cleaned the box with our isopropyl alcohol, it's time for our solvent-based primer. Very easy to apply. Microfiber cloth. Just going to wet the cloth with some solvent primer, and I'm going to put it on all the way around the edges like this. I'm going to put quite a generous layer on here on the porous side of the Oki board, and it'll need about 15 minutes to dry before we start our application. Right, so I'm going to start off on the end caps. I'm going to wrap the two side pieces, and then I'm going to wrap the whole top in one piece. So here's our end product, architectural PVC wrapped with our exterior cover style architectural film. It's in the sun all day. We've got a 12-year global warranty, completely waterproof, as you can see with the fountain on top. So check out our exterior range of architectural films.